Make a great choice today with the 2024 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.